In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create CRM in Base44. To get started, open Base44 in your browser. Once the platform loads, look over to the left-hand side of the screen, where the main navigation menu appears. This sidebar is where you'll usually move between different sections of the workspace, so it's a good place to get oriented before you begin building anything. From that left side menu, click on Home. This takes you to the main Base44 home area, which is where you can start a new request and describe what you want the platform to create for you. After the home page opens, find the prompt text box. This is the area where you'll type instructions for the app you want Base44 to generate. Before entering your request, look at the prompt box closely and find the drop-down button next to the build option. Click that drop-down so you can change the mode. When the menu opens, select Plan Mode. This is helpful because Plan Mode focuses on structuring the project request clearly before generation begins, which can improve the result and make your CRM setup more organized. Now click into the prompt field and enter a request like this. Create a sales CRM with a contact section, a Kanban deal pipeline, task reminders, and an AI lead scoring dashboard. This prompt works well because it gives Base44 a clear description of the type of CRM you want, along with the core features it should include. The more direct and specific your wording is, the easier it is for the platform to understand the goal. Once your prompt is entered, send the prompt to Base44. After that, the platform will begin processing your request and generating the CRM based on the instructions you provided. At this stage, give it a moment to work. Depending on the complexity of the request, generation may take a little time, so it's important to wait until the process is fully complete. As Base44 finishes generating, avoid interrupting the workflow so the platform can complete the build properly. When it's done, you'll have the foundation of a sales CRM created from your prompt, including the features you requested in the planning stage. That's the full process for creating a CRM in Base44. If you want the best results, keep your prompt focused, include the essential modules you need, and use plan mode whenever you want a more intentional setup before the build begins.